So this is D Hicks. I've today I'm gonna talk about a dash kit, which I purchased for my 2020 Chevy Silverado. This here dash kit is a high country dash kit, and it's digital, and it has the analog. It has analog speed and analog the RPMs, but everything else is digital. So I'm replacing my standard analog dashboard with this kit. I ordered this dash kit from a website. I'm gonna have the link below the video. Okay, trying to do this with one hand. Gotta be careful. Okay, this is the dash kit. As you can see, this here screen here, all right there is all digital. The gauges will be up here. It's plug and play, and I had to send my VIN number and everything for them to, I guess, tweak and program everything to it. It's supposed to just plug in and it'll pull up your mileage and everything, whatever on your current gauges will be on these gauges. And I will show you the before and after once I get it installed. There are how-to videos on how to install this dash kit, and I'll show you what things I will be doing, but I'm not going to go all in detail when there's videos out there to help you install it. I'm just showing you this is a particular mod I'm installing on my truck. Okay, this is my current dashboard. Right now it has all the analog gauges, RPMs, the speed, miles per hour gauges, and you have the battery. You have the oil, the temperature, the fuel, and the battery. And as you can see, right now, let me see if I can get focus. That's showing my miles on here and miles to empty. Okay. And what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take this off the top of the I got to take this here top off here, then I'm gonna have to pry this here, use the pry tool and pry this back, and I'm gonna have to take this trim piece off around this here center stack and take out about 4 screws, pull this back, and then I gotta pry this here trim piece back so I can get this here it's a little trim here off, which will have to remove some screws in there too. Like I said, there's a how-to video on the website, which I'll provide below, where you can get this kit at, and that'll show you how to install it. Well, okay, I'm gonna shut down and get this started. Okay, I then removed this trim piece around the center stack, as you can see, and I've removed the screws, 4 screws out, and I pried this out a little bit, and I've pried this out a little bit so I can get this here, the trim piece out. And also I done tried this out. Now I got this trim piece got to come out. After I get this trim piece out, I got to get a couple of bolts out of this the dash kit itself right here. Yep, I don't know if this attached to this here plastic fold here. I don't know if it's attached, because on some videos this is attaching and they had to leave this trim piece here, but they had to bend it forward enough for it to pull this kit out. And then in doing so, I gotta try to pull it out without scratching the screen on the back of a trim piece of this here trim here. All right, that's the easy part. I got the easy part done. I'm going to go on and install the kit. Okay, as I took this trim down, as you can see this trim here, it is connected to that plastic fold down there. So I'm gonna have to get to that bolt down there, that screw down there, and that screw over there. Gotta get those two there, right there by the white part there. Gotta get those four. Then I gotta lift it out without having to scratch this here little piece here. Try not to scratch my screen. You gotta do that when you're putting the new one in too. So gotta be careful. All right, I'm finna go on and do this. All right, I've got it installed and everything's back in place. Now, you notice that I don't have the gauges at the top on this one. It's going to be all digital. This is a high country dash kit. See, I had four standard gauges up here. But this, like I said, I had it programmed by this company. I can't think of it right off the bat the name of it, but it's going to be in the link below where you can order it for yourself. They have one for the Denali. They have a Denali kit and a high country kit. See, I just got a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado LT, and this pretty much everything's back together. Now I'm going to turn it on. Everything's popped up. As you can see, those digital gauges back there. It's got where my fuel gauge. It's got my oil, temperature gauge, and it got my battery gauge. And when you change, when it changed to the sport mode, shows it's supposed to, let me see, on some of them it'll change this here to a tow haul mode, the towing temperature on the transmission changer, but not on this one. But it got all the gauges I use. And let's see, switch between units. Fuel economy. On it, somehow it wiped my best average was 24. It wiped that, but that's okay. I'll get it again when I'm traveling. And it's got my miles like I should here. Okay, let me go down. Yeah, but it didn't get my. Only thing is, I usually had 2 tripometers, but this only having showing 1. It's not showing my average. Yeah. Everything else, front and brake pad life, fuel economy, info page, trip 1. See, it's showing both trip 1 and trip 2 the same, but that's okay. It's on trip 1, but that's okay. I'll change it when I fuel up. Okay, got the tire pressure, air filter life, brake pad, fuel economy. That's the main thing I have on here. And oil life. Everything, it's got all my gauges I want on here. Okay, I'm gonna go fuel my truck up and change everything on here. Okay, let me reset trip 1, trip 2 the same. Okay. Alright, that's my new digital dash. It's the High Country dash, and you can order it. Like I said, I'm gonna have the link down below. This is my mod, and everyone else can do this mod. This particular, I've seen the mod on YouTube search, so I like it, and I hope you will too if you decide to do this. But always keep your original one just in case this one fails. Alright, that's it. That's out. I'm out.